Hey, it's Neil from Toronto Condos. I just left the private closed door meeting for brokers in Toronto, pre-construction brokers for the investor suites on Richmond. This is an amazing project located in a AAA area of downtown Toronto. The developer is Brad Lamb, and he's offering a 2-year rental guarantee. Suites start as low as the mid 500s. This is a fantastic project. Closing is in 2021. This is geared towards investors. Let's now discuss all of the important details of this one-of-a-kind project. You're invited to a VIP condo sale. This is what you've been waiting for. Right in the heart of downtown Toronto, introducing the Investor Suites on Richmond. 1 bedroom starting from the low 500,000s. Save $400 per square foot. There are competing projects launching in downtown Toronto priced $400 per square foot higher than this project. Anyone who purchases into this project is purchasing at a lower price and is going to ultimately benefit in the long term. There's an amazing 2-year rent guarantee. This is downtown Toronto positive cash flow. There's free assignment, an easy deposit structure. This is a 1-day only sale taking place on Saturday, March 9th at 11 a.m. It's very, very important to note that all purchasers will be purchasing by appointment only. There will be no walk-ins on Saturday, March 9th, and in order to purchase, you have to have an appointment established in advance. In order to establish your appointment, you must contact us. Anybody who shows up and walks in on March 9th without an appointment will not be allowed to purchase. So where is this project located? It's located right in the heart of downtown Toronto. At Richmond and Spadina, only 2 blocks away, there are competing projects priced $400 per square foot higher in price. This is an amazing deal for downtown Toronto. Let's compare. King Toronto, a comparable project located only 2 blocks away, has 1-bedroom units sized 484 square feet, priced at $732,990. That's a price per square foot of $1,514. They require a 20% deposit, and maintenance fees are 90 cents per square foot. Now let's take a look at the exact same unit in the Woodsworth. A 1-bedroom, 474 square feet is priced at $553,900. That's a cost per square foot of $1,168. The deposit structure here is only 15% down. Maintenance fees are 61 cents per square foot, plus you get a 2-year rental guarantee offered from the developer, and this is downtown Toronto positive cash flow. Here is the 1-night only easy deposit structure. $5,000 on signing, balance of 5% in 30 days, 5% in 120 days, 2.5% in 210 days, and 2.5% in 270 days. Tentative occupancy is scheduled for September 2021. Lockers are $5,000. Maintenance fees are estimated at 61 cents per square foot. Hydro is metered separately. Here's a typical floor plan that you'll find within the building. As you see on the left-hand side, the key plate is rectangular. Rectangular is good because that means that there's very little wasted space. As you come in through the front entrance, immediately on your right is your coat closet, followed by your full bath. As you enter the suite a little bit further, you have your first bedroom. As you pass the bedroom, you're in the common living area with a kitchen and walkout balcony. This is a return on investment example for floor plan B, 442 square feet, priced at $539,900, assuming a 3% fixed 2-year mortgage. The price, $539,900. A 20% deposit would equal $107,980, meaning that your mortgage amount would be $431,920. Now your monthly expenses. Your principal and interest on your mortgage would be $1,816 monthly. Your maintenance fees at 61 cents per square foot multiplied by 442 square feet for this particular example would be $269 per month. Taxes are estimated at approximately 0.65% of the purchase price, which in this example equates to $292. Your total expenses would be $2,377. Your cash flow, your income, estimated at $5.94 per square foot. Remember, the developer is guaranteeing 2 years of rental guarantee, and at $5.94 per square foot multiplied by 442 square feet gives you $2,625 rent per month on this unit. Your expenses are $2,377, which gives you a cash flow of $248. Your cash flow of $248 multiplied by 12 months gives you $2,976. Your principal paydown of $18,364, once again, this is your principal paydown on your mortgage, divided by 2, so divided by 2 years over the 2-year rental guarantee, gives you principal paydown each year of $9,182. Your return on investment, when you take $12,158 and divide it by 107,980, gives you 11.3% return on investment. And this is based on a 2-year fixed rate mortgage over a 30-year amortization. Here are the next steps to be part of this amazing program. Number 1, contact us by email, text, phone, direct message to express your interest. Number 2, book your preview appointment with us. Number 3, attend your preview appointment with us. Number 4, buy at the one-day sale. It's that simple. You don't want to miss this project. For details, contact me or leave a message in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you.